Mais j'aime beaucoup la voile.
I love sailing. I love water sports because one, it gives absolutely incredible sensations, and two, it's always been crammed with technology. We are finding all these technological advancements in the aeronautics world more and more. I'm Benjamin David, founder of XSun, and I would describe myself as an entrepreneur, an adventurer, and an innovator. To me, we are at the beginning of a new era with a boom of autonomous machines on Earth. The idea is to have machines in human service. That's essential. XSun develops autonomous unmanned aerial systems, drones that operate on solar energy. The Solar X1 drone will enable much simpler, much cheaper, and more autonomous data acquisition for different applications like mapping, topography, agriculture, and surveillance for different sectors. So we will open new possibilities at the industrial, scientific, or military levels. For example, forest fire detection, preservation of species, even migrations, and the ability to collect key or important information for different species on land. We have taken into account from the beginning the energies around us. In fact, working around the energies and no longer trying to force nature, but to work with nature. It's a complete change of mindset in design. With this adventure, we hope to push all industries toward a more carbon-free world. If XSun is able to open more and more consciences on the fact that using renewable energies is entirely possible today, we would consider our mission as achieved.